Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2015 GMC Yukon Denali, and it is incredible. Leather heated cooled seats, third row seating, and just an incredible interior. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this kind of a gold gray exterior color. You have your super bold grille with that kind of brick pattern going on behind your GMC badging. And you have your projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below, and this has a front sensing system. Then looking down at your wheels, those are 20-inch chrome clad wheels with lots of tread on those tires as well. And then making your way over to your side mirrors, you have blind spot monitoring and crosspath detections that will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. And then making your way inside, you have power running boards to help you up in the front and the back while keeping them nice and safe and protected. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these leather seats. You have your Denali embroidered at the top there, and they are heated and ventilated, so super comfortable, power adjustable, and you have memory settings for your driver's side. Then looking at your leather wrapped heated steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and then media controls on the back. Then looking at your media center, you have your radio options right here. And then you also have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth. You also have navigation right there. And then all of your settings and everything are on those pages, and then you have other apps that you can subscribe to as well. And then when your vehicle is on and in reverse, you have a backup camera, so that'll help you out when you're back in this giant SUV up. You also have all of your climate controls here. They are dual, so you can have different settings on each side, and you have your rear climate controls right there as well. This also has a hidden storage compartment with a USB port in the back. You have your CD insert right there and your heated cooled buttons for your seats. Open these up, you'll see 2 USB ports and a 12-volt plus your cup holders. You also have a wireless charging pad right here, and then lots of room down below with a SD card reader, 2 USB ports, an aux port, and a 12-volt. Looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable, universal garage door openers, and then controls to your sunroof. So lots of nice lighting there inside of here. And then making your way out, this has a Bose sound system. Looking in these back seats, you have quad seating, so 2 seats in the middle, an aisleway to the back, which has 3 seats. These seats in the middle are heated, so you have your 2 heated buttons right there, and then all of your different inputs for your entertainment. You have your AV inputs, SD card, and USB port right there, along with a 115-volt and a 12-volt. Then you have that rear entertainment system, so you can play DVDs and everything, so your kids will be nice and occupied. It does fold away like that. And then looking into that third row, you can fold these seats down, and you have 3 seats back there with cup holders on each side. So looking up, you have a roof rack up top, lip spoiler on the back, and then your rear sensing system and your tow package. Let's take a look into this trunk. You do have a power liftgate and remote start on your key fob there. And then lots of room back here. You can open this up for some more space, but what I love is that these are power folding, so you can fold them down either side, one side, both sides, but it's super helpful to have some extra space back here if you don't have anyone sitting in that third row. So overall, amazing vehicle. Love how much room there is inside, and all of the features that it does have. So if you want to see this GMC or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.